Hi guys, and welcome to the first video for my blog. So today I'm sharing with you 3 no-bake appetizers, things that I can just easily throw together when I know some guests are coming over and maybe I'm not super prepared for it. This is stuff that I usually just have in my fridge. It's really versatile, so if you're vegan or gluten-free or have any dietary needs, this should definitely work for you. I'll put some swaps on the screen for like if you need to swap out some of the stuff with dairy or whatever it is. These each take like 5 to 10 minutes to make. They're really simple. So if you guys do try any of these recipes out, make sure to tag me at Madison Street Studios on Instagram so I can see what you guys thought, and I hope they're really tasty for you.